Setup time this morning is not going to be too bad, but afternoon time, temperatures are going to shoot up so fast. We're going to get into the mid-90s. Here are the records. Heat advisory for all of inland areas, even down in southwestern coastal Connecticut. Yeah, there's a storm risk for tomorrow evening. The record high today, 93, set back in 1996. We have a good chance of breaking that. We're forecasting mid to upper 90s. And for tomorrow, more the same, mid-90s as well. And again, we have that heat index up to 100. Therefore, we have a heat advisory in effect. And at the same time, we also have an air quality alert from 11 to 11, Harford County, coastal and southern Connecticut. The dense fog advisory is hiding this gray shade. So take it easy out there. Again, I can talk about it all day long about the air quality. It's part of what I do with the State Department of Energy and Environmental Protection. Meanwhile, we have visibility still down near zero in parts. That's because the dew points and the temperatures are close. And so it's 67 Torrington, 63 Groton, New London, 63. And here's the wind flow, just showing you that we got some clouds still here, but it's clearing out to the west here. And eventually we're going to see that sunshine, and boy, is it going to heat up in a big way. Cluster of storms move just to our south overnight. There it is, well offshore. Again, we're clearing out, high pressure, southwest wind, and we have this front that drags all the way back to the western states where it's snowing out in Colorado. Yeah, it's snowing in Colorado, and we're dealing with record heat. So for today, again, fog giving way to partly to mostly sunny skies, hazy, hot, and humid. High temperatures reaching the 90s inland. And, well, here's the 90s inland. 97 Avon, for example, 97 Hartford, Windsor, 91 even up in northwestern Connecticut here. It's going to be on the chilly side. And the heat indices, it's Saturday. Actually, both days are going to be averaging in the mid to upper 90s throughout the height of the heating daytime hours in the early to mid-afternoon. Tonight, clear, but mild and muggy with temperatures down into the 60s. And then for tomorrow, take a look at this. Another repeat performance, cooler along the beaches with temperatures in the 80s, but in the 90s inland areas. And you can see coastal Connecticut down in Mystic, 82 degrees, and 91 up there in northern Connecticut, 95 Avon, and 95 in Hartford as well. So mid-90s. Yeah, here's the Storm Prediction Center saying northwestern Connecticut, the best shot for some storms. It's backed off a little bit, but I don't trust it. We're going to watch this front come in tomorrow evening, and it all depends if we get this shower coming in early on, midday, or in the early afternoon. If that happens, you might destabilize it, or might stabilize it, but it also could do the other effect. But meanwhile, just be on the lookout tomorrow afternoon for a spot shower. Better chance to see these storms coming in to western Connecticut around 7 to 8 o'clock. You see at 8:30, and then it kind of goes away. So we'll have to see how we do as far as the severe line, if it develops, and how it all pans out for tomorrow afternoon. Meanwhile, your Fox 61 7-day forecast showing you in the 90s. Going to back down and look at all this 70s throughout all of next week. Basically, it's not an official heat wave. Heat wave is 3 days. Only 2 days with this heat, but the problem with this heat is it's so extreme. It's too hot, too fast, too early in the year, in the summer season. It's not even summer yet, it's spring. The good news is we're going to drop these temperatures and keep them down all of next week. Keep in mind, Angela, we're going from one extreme to the other. Record heat, then all the way back down, just a seasonable level. So it's going to feel really refreshing by the time we wake up Monday morning.
Yeah, high 70s are going to feel really refreshing. So we'll check back in. Thank you so much.